yun. Victory na.
Bigyan akong tablet.
Ayoko ma-lift ka ano. So hey guys, we are playing Murder Mystery to. What the heck? Bruh.
Hindi nakatutok sa music eh. Bajay na.
Oo na, bajay na.
Bajay na.
Play ako. Nag-recording na ako. Pinag-post rin ako.
Yoko na makuha.
Asa mo ka, Jay?
I'm booting the map. Clar, we don't see each other cause maybe we are fighting. Just wait! Bro. I'll kiss you in the face. Mwah! Okay, wow, there's so many beacons. Beacons core. Bro, I'm innocent. Clar, where are you? I need to kill you. Ah? Okay. You pretty sassy, Clar. Clar, please speak. Clar, speak nila, Clar. Tingog, Clar. Kung buhi pa ka, Clar. Larin, istorya ba?
Mamatay ko.
Gulo ko. Ano to, sorry?
No, I will.
Patay.
Fine. Here. So you're okay. Oh no, I'm sorry. You will kill it. No.
Patay ko, Jay. Huwag ka nung Jay.
Where's the murder? Bruh! What happened to your bacon? Clar, you can spectated. Clar is the murderer. Oh, Anthony. Yeah. Help. OMG, I have a next person.
Sinat, Jay. Sinat.
What happened to me?
Ay, Laura. Laura, murder. Si Ellie. Ellie.
Aga!
Si Eli, Jay.
Bruh.
Sarakan si Jay.
I just killed.
Jay, sarakan, Jay. Jay, sarakan.
No! I
Box ni
did.
DC, Jay.
No, blue picket, diamond. No, run!
Kang RV to, kang RV.
No. Oh. Oh no, the blue bacon died. Oh my god, boys, they're scared. Oh my god, I love it.
Lalala!
Clar!
Tagan! Oh.
Where was that? Oh my god. Run! Run, B! Oh yeah, I came down. Oh,
Opo, napatay. Grabe. Kamay na kang sinat.
OMG. Did he teleport into our place? Clar! 1 versus 1 left. I am dead. I hope I'm a murderer. And I'm a
Patay.
sheriff.
Patay.
Go, Sheriff. Go, Sheriff.
Kill it!
Go, Sheriff.
Did we win?
Go, Sheriff.
Oh no, it's laggy.
Usa man siya?
Dog na, victory!
Bro, it's so very lagger.
Tangin.
Dito ko score na ko na nito.
Okay. Clar, I hope you are a sheriff cast and I'm the murderer cast 1v1. Okay, let's go. Nah, I just want to.
Taken away.
Clar, you are a very great singer. You're Suya Buggers.
Jelly's Biotars.
Clarin.
Huwag na, Jelly na.
Clar, harong naaman tayo ka diri sa murder mystery to, di ba naka sa diri to impress?
Unsa ka, Jelly?
Bro, I don't know.
One ko, basta ko.
Wala mo dito ni mama, dalas mama.
Bro. Clar, the murder's chasing me!
Namanggal, Jelly. Yeah, victory na, may.
I'm the murderer.
Victory!
I'm just a murderer.
Yes!
Bro, I'm so a little leaders. Clar, I am the murderer. I hope you are not the murderer, Clar.
Murder si Victory.
Yeah, I'm the murderer.
Yes, I'll give me Victory. Kay Buga.
Heck.
Wagan!
Clar, where are you? Lena, the second one. Bruh, be sure your name is perfect. Oh my god, I need to kiss you right now. Try not noob. You will be the murderer or you will be the seraph. Okay, Clyde, you are the murderer. Clyde, I want to get out of you.
Hindi patay ko. Ako man dapat ang sheriff.
You are the sheriff? Run, bitch! Run!
Wow na, si Kwan Jim. Jim.
Who is... You are the sheriff?
Ako ang sheriff.
Bruh.
Ako ang namatay.
Oh, the hero saved the day! Good. The hero saved the day.
Di ba ako ang sheriff? Kasi patay ka nila.
Yeah, cause you are so a leaders. Yeah. Claire, I know you are the leaders cause you are new, right? I'm new. You are the newer.
You are book and buwak.
I hope I'm gonna be sheriff cause that's my favorite. I need to kill Clarin. Claire, where are you? Hey, the game stopped. Bro, I'm the innocent. Okay, so I'm the innocenter cause this is not making good. Clar, where are you? Clarin, where are you? I'm at the cinema. Yeah, I am that in cinema. Clar, na ako sa movie theater. Clar. Namatay ka, Clar. Are you the murderer? Clar? Clar? Clar, are you still alive? Clar, please speak! Bro. Clar, someone died. Okay, let's dance. Ah, there's a murderer. Clar, the picking head. You're the savior. You're the murderer. God. Oh my god. This picking boy. Clar, where are you?
Ako sa rep na.
Bro, where are you?
Asa mo ka? Ano pa ng tawa? Ikaw ang murderer.
I'm not the murderer. Bacon is the murderer.
Bacon. Huwag ka na nag-cruise. Ate, matuloy ka na kung anak, ha?
Oh, Clar, we are victory team.
Victory!
Can you go out now?
Victory!
I hope I'm the sheriff.
Isa patay.
Ikaw. Thank you, Akiriza. I will give you books.
O, pag ko na siya.
Victory. Are you sure? Naka-sheriff na gani ka?
O, pero murder.
Yeah, because you're so leaders.
Tanggalan yung kumaan. Dali.
Clarin! OMG! Clar! Is that necklace? Bro, I'm still innocent. Nicholas, if you die, I'll give you books. Just joking. If you, Nicholas, please update the murder mystery.
Saan yung pagpusil dyan?
Are you the sheriff?
Saan pagpusil?
Just click on the person. Just like this, okay?
Saan na?
Are you dead? I'm dead.
Ito hindi na pagpusin.
I don't know. Just press the people, the person. Just click.
Tama, pili na tagmap ka.
No. Claire, you can spectate. You can watch everyone. Where's that murderer?
Umutagi ka ngipin siya. Ngipin.
Claire. Yes.
Waran mo. Wow.
Victory! Nicholas, please update all over the town. Okay, so this will not be unpersuaded. Yeah. They did not know how we can operate.
80% because what
Bro.
Asa mata?
Research possibility. Bro. Thank you, Bikari. We need... Oh my god. Bro. Yeah, bro. Because you have no bro.
Oh.
Dude, I'm speaking to you. You are no bra. You're rich. Yeah, you have BAP on Roblox. I have a bro. Why I'm always still the inocente. Car, I'm gonna hide at the bridge. Lauren, where are you? It's time for the doughy donut. You love it, right? Right, Car? Car, where are you? I'm looking at you for the Robux. Claire, I want Robux. Claire, I know you are the murderer. Claire, speak to me. Ah,
Asa mong katapit?
in the Mars, I guess. Okay, massage. Baby Claire is the murderer. Ah, yeah. Bro.
Asa mo nagpatay sa murder?
Sheriff. Fix you.
Asa mo nanguha na lang ko dito pag-orta ko.
Who is the murderer, Thor? Car is the murderer. Car, are you the murderer? Car, please. Car, I heard that. Car, I know you're the murderer. Car.
Vlog! Ang kasay!
Car. Si Karen.
Kan! Kasay niya. Mga best friend pag yun. Pero okay ra. Pero okay ra.
I know you are the
Okay ra, basta nakapatay kong isa! Waya ka watay!
Are you sure? I kill you, bro.
Patay na akong 5 kabuok. Ako nagpatay sa ay sa sheriff. Itong first ay itong pinakauna na sheriff. Tapos
Unya kisa may nagpatay sa imo. Siya nagpatay sa imo, Clark.
ano sa mga machine?
Clark, kisa nagpatay sa imo.
Ako. Uwagan, magod ako.
Are you sure?
Ayun pa, uwagan pa.
Are you sure you're the gay one? Bro, I thought he was dead. Maybe. Clark, where are you? I am the sheriff, I guess. Clark, I am the sheriff. Where are you? Clark, I am the sheriff. Clark, I am the sheriff. Asa man ka? Where are you? I will protect you, Clark. Where are you? Hey, Clark. Hello, Clark. Hey, Clark. Hey, Clark. Hey, Clark. Wait, Clark, I'm not. I'm the center. Bro.
Sorry, paggamit.
Just click and the murder. Clark, do not click me. Do not shoot them. I'm not. Clark, I'm not the murderer. Claire, I will help you. I'm not the murderer. Sheesh. Claire? Claire, I'm not the murderer. Click that boy. Yeah, click that. Just kill the boy, Claire. Just press it. Just press on other people, bro. Oh. Oh. OMG. I cannot.
Anak, kagaling. Diba daw ko? Oh! Gaboon! Oh, dog ko. Patay dapat to si Jeril.
And then you will die. I thought I will be the hero one.
Oh, ako na daw ila hero.
Claire, just pick this. Okay, so this one gonna be probably. God, there's a knife. Or one knife. I want to go into summer play. Claire, there is this necklace. Hi, are you Nicholas? Bro, I'm always innocent. Claire, where are you? I'm the sheriff.
Nala ko sa malikod.
Claire, I'm the sheriff. Follow me.
Asa malimuso kay mong sundang. Uya man.
Nasa likod. At my back.
Ang imong kusil. Uy, kulera! Ah! Lapatay ka! Naganjay! Lapatay ka.
I know I won't trash the bacon.
Huwagan.
I love bacon, but I won't trash them.
Lang tawag ako.
OMG, the moderator.
Huwagan. Kulera. Wala ko, Jay. Natawa ko, Jay. Nagbita. Ha! Ang ako, natawa ko, Jay. Nagbita ka.
Are you okay, Claire? Where was the lady? Dark lady, where are you?
Naglang.
Claire, I know you are not the moderator. The time is almost done. How much the time, Claire? Okay, the time is 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Ilat. As ang time dili dapit.
Just come upstairs. Just come upstairs. Goodness.
Daw, dito lang ko ang.
Ooh, I love that guy. He's so strong. Bruh.
Isa daw. Dapat ma-sheriff ko.
Nah, I will be the sheriff one.
Dili na tadapit Jay.
No, I will go to the necklace. Necklace? Nicholas, I want to talk to you. Bruh, are you the murderer, Nicholas?
Asa ka ni Agi?
Oh, I'm just here. Oh, the abs boy is here. Bruh, why am I always innocent? Claire, I know that boy is so sassy right now. Claire, tara. Pagbanan na to siya, Claire. Claire, are you sad? Claire? Bruh. I'm so sorry, Claire.